It's Kara Moore's first time using a power saw. All thanks to Walter Mullins, the instructor here at the Home Maintenance Workshop, a free class on basic home repair skills offered to Queens residents.
You lay it flat on this table.
For the past 7 years, Mullins has been volunteering hours of his time each week to teach the class in Far Rockaway. From electrical sockets and leaky toilets to tiling and molding, Mullins teaches it all. But he says the real lesson here is confidence.
If they know how to sheetrock a wall, if they know how to hang wallpaper, a light goes off and they say, hey, I can tackle other projects.
And the students, well, they agree.
I learned tiling here. It gave me the confidence to do my own backsplash tiling.
Walter has taught me a lot, so I can do it.
I knew I could make a hole, but I didn't know I could fix a hole, not this easily.
Most of the class is made up of women. Mullins says usually 70% of his classes are female. He says women either take the class to become better consumers or they just want to learn how to do it themselves, like homeowner Colleen Mulvey. She says it's just her and her son at home, and she says she took the class for the extra education she needed to tackle do-it-yourself projects.
You learn and then you go home and you feel like, hey, I could do this. I like it. My son loves it, so hopefully he'll grow up to be someone that will help work on the house.
And that's exactly what Mullins hopes people get out of the class. He says he gets more out of teaching it than the students get from taking it.
There's this expression, teach what you know. And I should tell you that the students are not the ones that are getting all the benefit out of this. I get tremendous personal satisfaction doing this.
And so, for volunteering his time to teach a lesson in basic skills needed for home repairs and for giving people the tool of confidence to go along with it, Walter Mullins is our Queens Person of the Week. Rosemary Schultz, New York 1.